Hey guys, I'm back. I just finished up that the last video. I got stopped out up here. Should have went short right back. I tried to load up. Um, it didn't happen. Trying to load that other video to YouTube right now. I'm still seeing this at least making a retracement down. So that's the reason I took this again. See if I can get this other video loaded. We'll see. You know, I like the divergence here. You know, the 610's having a little bit of trouble. 377's having a little bit of trouble. Still underneath the band. It can pop up. I mean, you know, here's the up here is where the opening 30-minute range was. So, you know, I know it's a little counter trend of what's happening today, but there again, I'm not. You know, I'm not looking for a whole lot. Now, granted, could we come back to these lows, to this high, which was 20.8? Could we get a rotation down? Item 7. So we'll see if we can get all these filled and see if we can make it a little bit better day. It is 1:30 Central Time. So it's 2:30 in New York. So we'll see what the guys want to do. So I'll pause it and come back. Okay, guys, having a little bit of trouble here. I'm gonna take some at 18.9. Trying to see if I can get 18.5. Should be able to. Got some decent size down here. Probably a lot of stops right here. It's right at the low. I'm gonna go one tick. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I mean, there's give it just a few more minutes to see if the 610 is gonna close inside the BB here. This BB closes on the underside of the band. Still got 262 transactions to take care of. Okay, I'm gonna take 12, 18, 9 again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take 18.7, and then we'll see if we can get 18.4. So 144 is running into the zero line here. All right, 18.6, 12, 18.6 for another 5. Pretty much a break-even stop now, and I will pause it. Come back. All right, we're at 12, 18.5. Going to take another at 18.6 if they'll give it to me. You've got a lot of size from 12.18.5 to 12.18.2. You know, you've got over 50 contracts stacked on each one all the way down. So I want to go ahead and try to, if they do try to rip this thing higher, I don't want to be any part of it. So that's the reason I'm doing it. I do like the way the 610 is acting. We're still trying to chew through these, so we really need to see where this is going to close. Looks like the 377 might close underneath the band. The 987 is starting to roll. I got 58 transactions left. The 1597 is still inside the band, and the 4181 is still on top. So The lower time frames, meaning in the next 1 to say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we might get a little bit of a push, but the 4181 is going to take a little bit longer to decide what he wants to do. So I'll pause it and come back. All right, guys, we're getting that push in. Let's see if we can get 17.7. See if we can go ahead and push that. Did get below the zero line here. Still the 4181 hadn't printed yet. 1597 did turn down, but it was still on top side of the inside of the band. We still have a long way to figure out where this one's going to close. It could start cutting across here, top band come in, squeeze, and pop out the top. So not sure why that bounced like that, right? See, and that's the whole thing, is making sure that you've got your marks where they go. It comes right down to the 50, and I really was not paying attention to that. And that's absolutely awful. All right, I'll leave those last two there. Sorry, guys. I think I had that on mute. I went ahead and took another one out. It's still holding the 50. I know this will be like the, I don't know, third video, fourth video of the day. If y'all don't want that many, I usually don't make this many trades, but I was seeing things pretty clear today, and no big runners, but being able to catch enough to make it worthwhile. That's about it. I'm wanting to see if this 12.17.9 can break, and then we can see what we want to do. I'll pause it and come back. All right, guys, it's 151. I'm done for the day. I hope everybody enjoyed the videos. Let's see. I ended the day 17,270. I'll get this one posted to YouTube, and if there's too many videos, you'll let me know. It doesn't matter to me. I record pretty much everything that I do for my personal use on my computer, where I can go back and review on a week-to-week, month-to-month basis. I recommend everybody doing that if you're trading. That way you can go back and see what you were thinking, because I do talk while I'm trading, even before I was posting to YouTube. That way you can go back in history and see what you were looking at, why you did something, and and learn from that. That's I think that's one thing that I learned a long time ago, that was by far the best learning tool that I actually was taught. So, all right, everybody have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully.